Dear students, in this video clip, I will tell you what we have discussed in today's maths online class, especially for those students who for some or the other reason were unable to attend the class. Today we discussed exercise 4.4, questions 3, 4 and 5. And homework also is given. Question 3, B, D, C and E. Question 4, B, D and E. Question 5, all the questions we discussed in the class itself, so no homework is given in this question. One question for 3 and 4 I'll explain you. Remaining you can do on your own. Question number 3A I'll explain. The question is 1 whole 2 upon 5 plus 1 whole 3 upon 4. This is the question. So the mixed fraction we will change in the improper. This is the first step. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 upon 5. Plus we will write as it is. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6, 7 upon 4. We need to do the addition. Therefore, when we have different denominators for doing addition in fraction, those denominators we will find the LCM. All the prime factors we will multiply. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. LCM in the question we get is 20. With both the given numbers, both the given fractions, we will solve this LCM. In the table of 5, 20 comes in 4 times. Therefore, in numerator also we will multiply with 4. 7 4s are 28. Same work we need to do with the other side also. Now we will check that in the table of 4, 20 will come in how many times? That we know is in 5 times. 7 5s are 35. Both the given fractions we will add. 28 upon 20 plus 35 upon 20. 8 plus 5 is 13, so 3. 1 is carried. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 is 63 upon 20. If you see the question, it is written write the sum as mixed fraction. You can see the sum we get is in a improper fraction. So this improper fraction we will change in mixed fraction. 23s are 60, we know 3 will be left here. Therefore, question remainder and divisor, that is 3 whole 3 upon 20. I hope this question is clear. Already the videos are shared for these type of questions, previous clips also. You can see from there also. Question 4, I'll explain you. See, 2 whole 7 upon 8 minus 2 whole 3 upon 4. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7. 23 upon 8 we will get minus 11 upon 4. We have the different denominators again. Therefore, we will find the LCM. LCM we will get here is 8. We will solve with the first side. Into 1 we will get. Same we will do with the other side, that is 11 upon 4 equal 8. In the table of 4, 8 will come in 2 times, therefore into 2. Now 23 upon 8 and 22 upon 8. 23 upon 8 minus 22 upon 8. 23 minus 22 is 1 upon, denominators are same, so same denominator. I hope this question is also clear to everyone present. So in 3 and 4 remaining questions you will do on your own. Question number 5 already explained before. Once again I'll give you a quick recap. When we add 0 in any number, we get the number itself. When we have equal to sign, therefore whatever is missing in both the side, those particular numbers we will write. As you can see in this blank, 95 upon 460 was missing, so written this, and here 33 upon 103 was written, so this. Then when we subtract both the same numbers, we get 0 in the answer. Rest all the given fractions and the questions are same. Kindly solve it on your own. That's all we discussed in today's class. Kindly go through the video clip. You will understand carefully, and after this you will all of you have to solve this homework in your maths fair copies. Tomorrow we will discuss in the class. Thank you all.